Welcome to our channel, where we bring you quality videos daily, helping you make informed choices about different products. Today, we're diving into the world of mesh Wi-Fi routers, so if you're looking for the best options, you're in the right place. Stay tuned for expert insights and recommendations. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. Number 1. Eero Pro 6E. The company that helped popularize mesh Wi-Fi routers continues to make a set that delivers fast speeds in a simple package. It's been over 6 years since Eero's first-generation routers debuted and brought mesh Wi-Fi routers into the mainstream, and the company continues to make the best Wi-Fi routers for most people. In our tests, which included uploading and downloading large files while streaming video on a TV and downloading digital games on the Nintendo Switch, we never felt a reduction in performance. Granted, our tests were conducted using a gigabit fiber optic internet connection, so your results will vary based on your provider's package. We were sent a 2-pack of Eero Pro 6E routers and initially stuck to using one, which covered all but the deepest reaches of a 3-floor condo. Number 2. Google Nest Wi-Fi. A reliable connection with tight ties to Google Home makes this an attractive and easily expandable solution. Google's Wi-Fi system, now under the Nest umbrella, is one of the fastest home mesh Wi-Fi systems on the market and one of the most handsome. It's also incredibly easy to use. Pop open the app, and you'll be able to do simple tasks without any trouble, whether creating a guest network, sharing your password with a friend, or instituting parental controls. It's on the pricey side, but lets you pick an initial, appropriately priced pack of 1, 2, or 3 units, and it's backward compatible with previous versions of Google Wi-Fi, which can help you save a little money on satellite beacons you already have or come across on closeout sale. Number 3. TP-Link Echo 6. Wi-Fi 6 routers are starting to emerge, and this advanced system is ahead of the curve regarding features and compatibility. Do you need a Wi-Fi 6 mesh router right now? Maybe. But routers aren't something we replace that often, so you might want to consider picking one that'll be compatible with Wi-Fi 6 when it comes. The TP-Link Echo 6 provides super fast speeds to up to 150 devices, which is one of the hallmarks of the next generation Wi-Fi 6 standard. It comes with 3 stations and, at this price, is actually cheaper than some mesh systems without Wi-Fi 6. Reviewers note that the included Ethernet cable is a bit short and that the app isn't quite as easy to use as others, but speed and ease of setup are both said to be excellent. In addition, it's compatible with Alexa if you're invested in Amazon's smart home ecosystem. Number 4. Netgear Orbi RBKE963. Netgear's high-end Wi-Fi routers were built for speed and offer unparalleled performance even in the toughest circumstances. If not for its high price tag, Netgear's Orbi RBKE963 would be the top pick in our guide based on its performance in our tests. As it stands, Netgear definitely produces the best premium mesh Wi-Fi system we've tested, just one of its many stellar routers. The $1,500 3-router Orbi package can stretch up to 9,000 square feet and was even able to offer consistent speeds when tested in a 96-year-old New York City apartment building whose solid walls were not designed with Wi-Fi in mind. We could get consistent internet speeds within an 800 square foot 1-bedroom apartment, between floors, and across the entire building, even with several walls in the way. Router placement was key to achieving these speeds, but Netgear's app makes them easy to set up and manage. A big part of the Orbi RBKE963's performance comes down to its quad-band design, which limits the amount of signal interference when dozens of devices are connected to the same network. The router will create a single network operating on the 6 GHz, 5 GHz, and 2.4 GHz frequency bands, and your devices will connect to the fastest one it supports. Number 5. Veelo Mesh Wi-Fi System. It's not the bleeding-edge technology, but not everyone needs that. You get fast, reliable connectivity in an attractive package without much hassle. If you want a whole home Wi-Fi solution but don't want to spend a lot of money, Veelo's mesh Wi-Fi system is the obvious choice. It may cost $100, but Veelo managed to cut down the price of its networking gear without compromising many features. This mesh Wi-Fi system's marquee feature is its impressive 4,500 square foot range, which is on par with what you'd expect from more expensive hardware. Granted, some higher-end systems can achieve that coverage area with 2 routers instead of 3, but that's not a huge deal. Setting up and using Veelo's Wi-Fi system is managed using an app, giving you granular control over which sites certain devices can visit. This per-device version of parental controls can be very helpful in homes with adults and children. Velo says its routers can be connected to 120 devices simultaneously, which is impressive and makes them a solid choice if you've built up a sizable smart home or plan to in the near future.